A massive Shiba Inu whale just made a move that has the entire market on high alert today. As billions of tokens flood into Robinhood, the question on everyone's mind is simple. Is this a massive sell-off or a strategic repositioning for the next leg up? We are diving deep into the on-chain data to uncover the truth behind this sudden 145 billion token transfer. Let's get started. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this video. The Shiba Inu ecosystem entered 2026 with significant institutional interest. While the broader market seeks direction, Shiba Inu has established a substantial liquidity floor. According to reports, its market capitalization of approximately $5.17 billion provides the deep liquidity major funds and high net worth individuals require for entry and exit without massive price slippage. This structural maturity underpins today's movement. Robinhood, a major custodian of Shiba Inu, is central to this event. On-chain data reveals consistent wallet activity, but nothing on the scale of the January 14th transfer. This indicates a broader trend of smart money positioning, while retail interest remains quiet. The project's evolution from community token to institutional contender highlights the community's resilience and developers' vision. This transition is crucial for long-term sustainability, attracting investors prioritizing stability and exit liquidity over quick gains. Today's movement reflects this new reality, where every token transfer is scrutinized for clues about the next market cycle. The market's depth now allows massive transfers without the catastrophic price drops of the asset's early days. The primary development today involves wallet FA7BB. This wallet initiated a massive transfer of 145.2 billion Shiba Inu tokens, valued over $1,270,000, directly into Robinhood's hot wallet less than 14 hours ago, immediately sending ripples through the community. Analysts note the wallet's prior dormancy makes this sudden activity particularly noteworthy. The timing coincides with increased crypto market volatility, where many assets struggle for stability. As per reports, this is not an isolated incident, but part of a series of large-scale movements involving trillions of Shiba Inu tokens, shifting between private storage and exchange-linked addresses. The sheer volume suggests a major player is either preparing for a significant trade, or Robinhood is rebalancing liquidity to meet rising user demand. On-chain investigators indicate the destination is a primary Robinhood hot wallet, typically handling daily trading. This could imply an expected surge in retail buying, requiring sufficient tokens, or a large institutional client moving holdings to leverage Robinhood's advanced features or prepare for a potential exit. The scale of the move has put the entire ecosystem on notice, as a sudden dump could create significant short-term price pressure if not managed carefully. Blockchain transparency allows real-time observation, though true motives often remain hidden until price action unfolds. Market reaction to this whale movement blends caution and opportunistic buying. According to market data, Shiba Inu currently trades at 882 units, having reached a 24-hour high of 907 units today. Despite potential sell pressure from such a large exchange deposit, the price has remained remarkably resilient. Technical reports suggest Shiba Inu is teasing a 22% golden cross breakout on daily charts. This pattern, where a short-term moving average crosses above a long-term one, often signals a major bull run. The price holding steady despite the 145 billion token transfer suggests significant buying interest at current levels, potentially offsetting any immediate sell-off. Traders closely monitor support levels, as a successful defense could trigger a massive rally. The asset's resilience indicates underlying strength in the current market cycle. Many retail investors view this as a signal to accumulate, believing whales are repositioning for a larger move. Increased volume also suggests market efficiency, with liquidity providers matching large orders without excessive volatility. This maturity attracts institutional investors, and Shiba Inu is demonstrating its capacity for large-scale operations. On-chain evidence reveals staggering whale activity in 2026. Data shows large-scale Shiba Inu transactions, over $100,000, spiked by 111% in January's first 2 weeks. This surge indicates a fundamental shift in market structure. The FE7BB wallet is among many high-net-worth entities returning after prolonged dormancy. Furthermore, the burn rate significantly supports tokenomics. According to reports, the Shiba Inu burn rate exploded over 10,728% in early January, with over 7.2 million tokens removed from circulation on January 10. This combination of decreasing supply and increasing whale demand creates a supply squeeze. Analysts note tightening exchange supply, with more tokens moving into long-term storage or locked in decentralized finance protocols, increasing the value of remaining tokens for institutional allocators. Data also shows a significant increase in new wallet creations, many immediately funded with large amounts of Shiba Inu. This suggests new players are entering, drawn by increasing utility and ecosystem professionalization. On-chain trails reveal whales are not just holding, but actively participating in governance and staking. This engagement signifies a move beyond speculative schemes towards a stable, sustainable future. The synergy between the burn mechanism and whale accumulation creates powerful upward pressure, potentially defining the next several months of trading. Expert commentary points to a front-running maneuver by institutional desks. Sophisticated trading entities use Shiba Inu as a high beta proxy for broad market risk in 2026. This means funds anticipating a general crypto market recovery use Shiba Inu to amplify returns due to its higher volatility compared to Bitcoin or Ethereum. The Robinhood transfer might not be a sell-off, but a liquidity provision for institutional over-the-counter trades. Robinhood's expanding crypto services often necessitate such large transfers to facilitate high-volume orders from private clients. The analysis indicates a quiet accumulation phase where major players build positions before public awareness. If this theory holds, the 145 billion token move is a bullish signal of impending demand, not a bearish exit. Experts also believe whales are positioning for a major announcement from the development team. Historically, large movements precede significant news like partnerships, tech upgrades, or new exchange listings. Moving tokens to a major exchange like Robinhood ensures flexibility to react quickly to market-moving news. The strategic nature of these moves is paramount. These are professional allocators executing a well-thought-out plan, not emotional retail traders. Their choice of Shiba Inu as a primary vehicle speaks volumes about its market standing. The Shiba Inu community is abuzz with speculation following the Robinhood news. On social media platforms, developer hints and community-led initiatives fuel excitement. Prominent community members anticipate 2026 as the year Shiba Inu fully transitions from a meme-based project to a utility-driven ecosystem. Reports indicate continued adoption of Shibarium, the project's Layer 2 scaling solution, with new projects launching weekly. This organic growth attracts whale attention. Analysts note a shift in social media sentiment from "when moon" to professional discussions about ecosystem development and long-term value. The community closely monitors Robinhood wallets, as further transfers could signal a major retail wave. The community's ability to mobilize and disseminate information is a key strength, educating new investors on on-chain data and whale tracking. This grassroots effort fosters a more informed and resilient investor base, attracting further institutional interest. The synergy between community passion and whale capital is a unique feature of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. As the community advocates for transparency and utility, whales respond by providing the necessary liquidity and stability for the project's advancement. Looking ahead, Shiba Inu forecast remains highly dynamic. Short-term, over the next month, analysts predict a potential breakout if the Golden Cross pattern completes. If the price sustains above the 1,000 units level, a rapid move towards the 1,500 units range is possible, driven by the 111% surge in whale activity. Long-term, over the next 3 years, AI-driven forecasts and market analysts position Shiba Inu as a primary liquidity venue for the decentralized economy. Reports suggest that if the project maintains its accelerated burn rate, and Shibarium adoption reaches critical mass, the market capitalization could realistically challenge the $20 billion mark by 2029. This would signify a transition from a speculative asset to a foundational crypto infrastructure piece. The potential for Shiba Inu to integrate with major payment processors and e-commerce platforms is also a key long-term factor. As companies seek efficient, low-cost digital transaction solutions, the Shibarium network offers a compelling option. The combination of a massive, loyal community and a robust, scalable technology stack makes Shiba Inu a formidable competitor for mainstream crypto adoption. While challenges lie ahead, current data suggests the foundation for a multi-year bull run is being laid right now by the very whales we are tracking today. However, no investment is without cautionary points. The high concentration of Shiba Inu in exchange wallets like Robinhood poses a centralized risk. Regulatory hurdles or technical issues at a major exchange could severely impact the asset's liquidity. Furthermore, on-chain data indicates that while the burn rate is impressive, the massive circulating supply means years of consistent burning are needed to materially impact price through scarcity alone. There is also the risk of supply exhaustion among fresh wallets. A slowdown in the accumulation by new wallets, which have been gulping trillions of tokens, could lead to a sharp correction. Investors should maintain a neutral perspective, recognizing that the 111% spike in whale trades grants significant short-term price influence to a few large entities. The volatility attractive to whales can be a double-edged sword for retail investors unprepared for sudden price swings. The broader macroeconomic environment is also crucial. A significant global economic downturn could trigger a risk-off sentiment, disproportionately affecting high-beta assets like Shiba Inu. Diversification and a long-term perspective are essential risk management tools. While whale activity is exciting, it is one piece of a larger, more complex puzzle. The massive transfer to Robinhood is a clear signal that the Shiba Inu story is far from over in 2026. Whether this whale is preparing for a breakout or providing liquidity for the next wave of investors, the data shows that big money is moving. Stay tuned as we continue to track every billion tokens and every major burn. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next update. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it, and subscribe to the channel.